am right from time. As in video wey be say I do 2 days ago, where I take send message to, where I take give 50 cents message to one person. Una know say I thought say na me be their mentor for this social media. Really, it's true. Just because say I know they talk, you know me say I know they see anything. A lot of people I have influenced them in a positive way. Before this set of people where beside they talk, so they not even get common gas where they take they cook for us. Now since when I start or they do my show off, since 2017 they come, so it come motivate them to come know say they see they buy gas. Whether I know say na second hand now they buy, but at least I still motivate them to still let them know say that they use gas for house. So now see here where beside there, so here is my kitchen, and in my kitchen you not go see second hand stuff. Not just my kitchen, my whole house alone. You know if you see second hand stuff, okay? I am allergic to second hand stuff. Just that before I just say okay, make I dey hide, make I no good, make person dey brag. Since as I still dey do it in a humble way, this set of people they don't like and they want me to come dey brag. They can't go they challenge me, you understand? So now me I want to dey show am where how life is lived. You cannot be do say na so you dey travel, you get passport, you get car, you dey drive car, you get driving license, you get this, you get that, but inside where you dey stay, your kitchen just dey empty. If you dey talk, kitchen go dey echo. Una see as I dey shout, I just dey use energy dey shout because your kitchen e dey well thick. If you say na kitchen wey be say nothing dey now, e go dey echo. Now here, una hear me echo, e no dey. So this is how life should be lived in Europe. Before you can come out on social media to come and be forming posh, how dare you? Just, this social media where we say we there, so we just they keep quiet. Oh, you understand? We just they keep quiet because Mrs. Iyobosa now one can person where be say she they select who she they talk to. I know they want to talk to low life people, as in low life get grade, as in low life grade A day, low life grade B day, low life grade C day, low life grade A. 91 where be say they not yours get at all, they not yours get where at all. All those ones I know they talk today. But the low life C, 91 where be say they see they try for life. You understand that they try for life. Whether the second hand is a bad, they not be second hand. Now all those one. If you do, you will be low life. You not get anything. Your achievement where be say you don't achieve for life is only passports. You come work on the as in because you look Mrs. Iyobosa, say Mrs. Iyobosa quiet. You want to raise yourself, tell they bring me down. When you know say me na your mentor. For my house boy and house girl, you understand? So video come meet me. Yesterday, they just cut down the record and say my house boy say no go they insult me again. How dare you? You dare not. You have to continue wait till you start. Mrs. Iyobosa not be the type where we say they go insult today. You go say no. You have to do it continuously. Continuously, you are not allowed to stop. That is the assignment where we say I give you as boy and as girl. My husband boy. You have to continue. Me, I no girlfriend, I no get enemy. And I see some top men for this social media that they try us. May we come settle. Settle with who? I know that before where be say I want to settle with them. You understand? Now content creator now be celebrity in my own life, in my own way. I don't associate or settle with nuisance. How can you just wake up one day? Then you just say that Mrs. Iyobosa, you want to pick on. What's wrong with you? If you want to make friends with me, just come direct. Say, Mrs. Iyobosa, I like you. If na waiting I go fit, I go say, okay, no problem. I like you too. May we be friends, family friends, no problem. Not be say you can't insult me. Then tomorrow you can't say, may we come settle. Or you go tell me that they look where they insult me. Because say you don't look, say the insult not they enter my body, and they dust and throw away. Then you can't find settlement. No. I don't want that. I repeat, once my enemy, forever my enemy. Okay? I know they do play to quarrel today, they will come be friends tomorrow. I do not mate. Where be saying I'm here on one call they do friends. Don't call me again. Oh. Don't try yourself again, okay? Don't try yourself again. There's difference between newsers and content creator. Mrs. Iyobosa is a content creator, okay? So I don't pass my short message. No settlement, no friendship, because we were not once friends. I don't know you before. Why we come to look for settlement? So without wasting much of our time, so Baba Gang. So may we start with this fridge. And as I got to introduce now, so I got to tell now how many years they don't okay? So this is my refrigerator. This is my refrigerator, and the brand is LG. Una know say be like say I go carry this be like oh god. It be like I have to carry this phone. No, or my fair wait. So make I just open this one first, okay? My fair open this one first. So here, so this one now my refrigerator. So now see how my refrigerator take the day. To those people where be say that they want they do Disney World. They want they do waiting I want know. They want to they travel all over the world. So challenge where be say challenge. It be like say they want start and small. Just that they not do well. Then they cook. They not gonna show me waiting they come they cook. Not be that kind one. Now I want. Oh, this camera yours been since. Okay. So not be that kind one. Now I want. So now so fridge go there. You see the way everything they arrange. I know they understand all these kind of people where be say I they teach them how to live good life. Instead make them learn. They go use the one I don't understand. The one they you hear that sound? You hear that sound? He say Picon. You know what is that Picon mean? Meaning say in case I dey bed, maybe na my children, I can open now. So make I fair obey. So make I fair obey. Okay? So that Picon, it means say half me, because nah, you know say nah good quality fridge in case you dey sleep or you dey inside your room, children just come here, they can't open the fridge, they can't open the fridge, they can't forget to lock am. The thing go call you. He go say nah, love and like this video for me, so Baba Gang. He go say nah, Picon, not be a Picon. He go say nah, Picon. That is the fridge they call in master. Master, someone just opened me. Please come and close me before I bust off. You understand? Because this fridge not be fridge where they disturb. You have to they lock am so that it go gather, it go get in peace. You understand? If you just open now, if you open now you no lock am, the fridge go dey vex, you go start to dey cry. No, this is not how to juice me. This is not how to juice me. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! So now be that Picon. So now, so this one, you see this one, now door one, you dey see am. Door two, please get this kind of fridge for us before you come dey advise Mrs. Iyobosa. Okay, you make sure say all the whole nutrients where you want for life is there inside the fridge. Not be so rice pound yam. I go dey see 12 years, 13 years, 4 years pikin. If they just they talk, their voice go just be like all those epa where they sit taba. Now because say you know they give the children the better nutrient. Your children where they born for Europe, for inside snow, you they give the backo food, you know they give the nutrients. You don't see my children, if I carry them come out, they'll suffer they'll suffer calm, they'll suffer gentle. Now because say I they give them better nutrients, where not go they make their head, they do gaga. Not be say out there live video. My own pikin go come they tell me say shut up there stupid girl. God forbid my pikin go come they tell me say no. Give the children better nutrition. You see, I don't come here again. He say, Master, close me. So I dey come, only God know that thing, I beg. Thank you so much. So I don't lock am now. You see, So the fridge, make I tell you what the fridge they do. Okay? So concentrate on this place now. So may we just use this thing, do example. In case you just you feel hot, heat there, you want drink a chill thing like you take wine, or you want just put cube. You just come to this fridge like this. So this fridge we have this fridge since 2019. This fridge 2021, 22. That is 2 years plus now. Now the fridge there, you see inside white, it clean. We never finish. Oh. If you just need cube, you serve like wine or juice, you want to add some cube inside. You also press this one like this. You press and then you also do one like this. Then look where thing want come out. Oh. What? You see ice block go just come out. So may we show where this ice block. So in case na crush now you want, if na crush, the one where be say the one only excuse me please. If the one where be say na if na crush now you want, so you go just press this crush. So now the one where be say the ground as the cube where be say not too be big. You understand? You go just off press on like this crush. You go see
just put it here.
What? You see the way take grand the ice block for me, not going to be big like the first one. So in case, so now I think over this one. In case na cold water now you want that chilled cold water. You just have to press this middle like this, okay? Then you put on what? You see as water they come out. You see so
or you want on the Wi-Fi.
Or you want on Wi-Fi. See Wi-Fi in case you dey room, you want know the condition of your fridge. You understand? So everything they like this. If you also want express, make the thing block in case you put water inside. You want make the thing quick block. So you just press here. Okay? So as they come now, make I raise make I take my phone. So make I take my phone. So that I will show and where. You are doing well, Mrs. Iyobosa. Right? Thank you so much, my love. So if you know you are not living like this, don't come out on this social media to come and be advising Mrs. Iyobosa. Or else it go be forever beefing. Me, I know they do saga now, beef now they do, okay? So you see inside. So all this one na ice cream. You understand? You get ice cream for house. House where children they you have to buy ice cream. We have some pommes, we have some spinach. So all these are my African food stuff like catfish. You see the stick where come out, all this small catfish from Nigeria. He get like my house boy now, he they like well. So if you want, I feel say some we for you, okay? If you not say you not get energy to saga me again, I feel say some we for you, okay? So I get crayfish here, what do they call it? Tatache, chicken, and some stuff like bitter leaf, everything there, yeah, okay? So may we open the other side now, see, you're suffering. Oh, he they call me again. He said, my master, have you forgotten me? So here, he goes off with this is the first step now. So this session, now the session of mayonnaise and ketchup, where we never bust, where we never open, because as a family woman, where we say you be a family man, you have to stock food for house, okay? Don't be stingy, don't be that type where we say, if you go shopping, the higher shopping where we say you go do now €5 shopping. And if you never finish, you not go buy another one. Stock food at home. Then you see this side now. All this side are yogurts. You understand? This is what to memorize your brain. If you dey drink all this kind of thing, your brain go the reason where you know get time to take they do saga. Like all those set of like my husband now where they do saga now because say you not get better nutrition for body. If you they take all this kind yogurt, you'll see your brain go they calm down. You're the reason where you they see okay. This is very very recommended. Okay, it's very very good. It's very oh, don't call me again. I they come my first lock and first. Oh, Don't lock me again. He don't call me again. So you see, so you see, so the other step now, this one I milk where they drink, okay? It's not about say you spread or you thick or you fat for body. Now they tell they know they eat or they live well. No, if you are sometimes bad nutrition, they make person they spread. You go just sit down, boozue, like my house girl. You understand? Go just make boozoo, sit down. You understand? It's lack of nutrition. You need to eat well so that your body as a woman go the day well. So you see her like this. So now, may we open the other space now. You see inside, very enraged. Well enraged. Not be saying you go just buy something, you go just show when inside. No, don't try that again. Don't do that again. That's not nice, okay? That's not nice. All this one like butter, bread, sausage, so cheese, okay? If you not say you don't ready spread like my house girl, please don't. This cheese is not for you, okay? So bacon, like all this Fanta now, you dey see this Fanta now. So this one, okay? If you not fit still buy that crate, where be say I don't they review the consume. Only if you bring me one bottle of thank you so much. So if you not say you not fit buy this one, that one, this kind one I don't review and where give you now. If you not say you not fit buy this one, and make sure say you see the make sure say you see the buy this one, okay? All this one now Fanta. They buy for house, okay? Like that one where be say where go UK be one can raise himself, they bring me down. Where no say na me teacher life.
That refugee.
You're a refugee for UK, yes, na she. So you be one can bring me down, raise yourself. You dare not, because you and I know say Mr. and Mrs. Iyobosa and I money spender and I will be. You understand? I don't take that. I don't take that. I'll prove you wrong. So you see egg. Some people now, this set of people why they talk just now, as egg just cheap, rich for market. They go market now. Only one crate of egg. They go buy crate of egg. How many days inside there? How many days inside? 10. I be 12. No, they don't they buy egg like that. Buy many, okay, so that you'll see they bake for your children. You they buy fruits. Better one, no, not be the one where be said that they scatter for shop, bend down select. No, they buy original where they seal. Not be person where be say because they smell never bounce his money. All those apple where they don't use and touch select. You go there, go they buy for your children. No, okay. Not let your children they eat. Because we no bonding, it not make sense, okay? So try make they buy this kind apple, okay? So here na vegetable, you understand? Vegetable section. So this one is some of my African food section, like stockfish.
The new ones are coming. We will see blood.
Yes. So my new latest African food stuff is on the way. This time around, I don't know why the lady way they bring African food stuff for me not quick deliver. So we'll come see review it together. So this one na ogbono, session, egusi, and other stuff. So here, okay, all this one na mayonnaise where be say we don't open. You see some fresh roasted there here, okay? So doing saga is lack of nutrition. Now because say I am talking to my husband and house girl and one refugee for UK where be one can't use me take shine. You understand? Now they thought also. So doing saga is lack of nutrition. Try to they take these things. Make your brain they calm down. Okay? So it's very good. You just come live video. You just come they you just come they shot. They back wow like person wey spam no dey enter her body. Man wey be say you know they collect ororo for woman kpekus. Me I no understand though. So this side now. So these are the latest food shopping wey be say we do. Okay, this one na latest. You see meat. So this one we go dey review and we go dey introduce am. Yours now see am. All this one, okay? So only before I go forget, I bet if you help me open passage, okay. May I show them where we dey stock our meat and our fish put. You see my kitchen, I know they do cut to size. You understand? Say you go there one spot, you go they do live video. See am, I dey show around. Okay? You see am? I show am all round. You dey see am? Only day. You see am? I dey show everything all round. I know they do cut to size. I know they do cut to size, eh? Make sure say you dey show your kitchen like this, okay? See me for mirror. See, and I me dey with my for 12 Pro Max like this. This is how life should be lived in Europe. So we dey come. So that place where I tell now say we dey put our fresh meat and fish on your bed. Help me here. You see, like all this one now. Help me just only this one. You see this one now. This is gizzard. You understand? You they get am for house. They get the for us. It's very important. Gizzard, chicken. See another ice cream for here. You see, chicken. You they get everything for us. So inside there, yeah, it's okay. So you they get everything for us. Yeah, you understand? This one. Yeah, we will come put meat. Now you see, I said this fish.
This one still they cry.
Still they cry.
Not cry.
Master, lock me please. You see, this one now, ice fish. Okay. Ice fish is very, very healthier than
this one. This too.
This one, melusa.
Melusa.
Yes, you see a different type of ice fish now we get for here.
And not two sets.
Ice fish is very, very important than turkey, than chicken, than meat. Okay, it's very, very important. See, and this one at the tilapia session. Okay, make sure say you can eat more of fish. They eat more of fish. It's very, very important. So now we want to introduce electronics because so we want to introduce different furniture because I hear when my houseboy come dey kitchen where they call send for me come dey kitchen they use fry pan take the
for Europe.
You come they use fry pan take the fry bird flu. When they use fry pan, they fry bird flu. So they don't use fry pan, okay? It's not healthy. That's lack of nutrition. This is what they call head fryer, okay? So here, head fryer. You don't need oil. What you need to do? See, you just open it like this. Put what you see as it clean. It clean. Make sure say they clean now in case you go back. So you just put what did they call it? You just put your meat, chicken, anything where be say you want okay. Okay, so as I told the con just now, thank you all so much, my people. So you just have to put your chicken meat, anything where be say you want fry, or you want fry that bird flu where you can't fry just now. Stop eating bird flu. Fish is very important, okay? Fish is good. So here you fry. This one I can't tell where they tell the boil water. Not the juice pot tell the boil water again. How can you be using pots to boil water in Europe? Now you suffer pass. So buy this one, it's very important. This one na rice cooker, okay? This one now we take the cook rice. Not the juice pot take the cook rice for Europe again. What's wrong with you? Now you suffer pass. Buy rice cooker is very important. This one a blender, okay? This one a blender where they take the grand the goosey anything, eh? So this set of people were beside the door, so now grand the store now that they juice for inside Europe. Can you imagine? So this one na machine where be say that take the bake cake. This one is very, very important, okay? They bake for your children. Not let your children go the long throat for school. You call yourself you say you get money, you dey rent hotel anywhere you go, everywhere you go, but you don't know how to bake. You don't bake. Every Saturdays now they bake for my children or Sundays. We not get time today now. So tomorrow now I can't do the baking. So you'll get time in case you want bake cake, you want do waffles, any other thing where we say you want do. No, you want bake cake, okay? So this is it. So this one now we take the do waffles, okay? So in case you want to do waffle, this one is very, very good.